going to scale this up to show you today. Usually stitches aren't this big, but it's helpful to show you how each stitch is formed. So the first thing you'll need to do is put the needle through the back of the fabric in the lower left corner of the square that you're going to sew. Remember to refer to the video about fastening on and off to make sure that you don't pull your thread all the way through. You want to keep hold of that inch at the back ready to loop through. Okay, now we're going to go across diagonally to the top right corner of the square that you're sewing. You'll end up with something that looks kind of like a forward slash on your keyboard. When you're sewing, it's really helpful to remember to go forward slash, backslash to form your cross stitches. So you're going to come through the back of the fabric in the little hole that's underneath the one you've just gone through. So you're going to form the backslash this time to do your backslash and to the top left hand side of your square. And you've formed one single cross stitch. Now you can do all of your stitches this way, or if you've got a block of colour that's all the same, I can show you a way that might speed it up for you. So if you have a large block of colour and you don't want to form each stitch individually, you can do all of your front slashes first and then go back and do all of your back slashes. This might be handy if you have a really large block of colour over multiple lines of the fabric, or if you just like getting in a rhythm of doing the same action all the way across and then doing the same action all the way back. And there you have it, 2 ways to form a cross stitch. You can do each stitch individually, or you can work as a block. However you feel comfortable is absolutely fine.